Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have April's Fashionable Beauty Box. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Fashionable Beauty Box normally is about the first to the second box I receive out of the entire month. But they did send an email stating that because of the current world situation, it was going to arrive a little bit later. Again, I do not mind when companies want to take their time, as long as, you know, everything is being done properly and it gives them time to get everything done, clean, and all of that kind of stuff. So it just arrived, so better late than never. Now, if you guys did watch last month, there was an issue with one item, and after going back and forth with them, which they have the best customer service, they were going to send me another item, but I said just put it in this box because I don't want them to waste more money on shipping and all of that when I'm getting a box this month anyways. So I should have like one extra item that normally wouldn't be in here, but it's to make up for an item from last month. So when I opened up the box, there's this and there's this item right here. So the card I know is in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up this first, and then we'll see what, we already know that that's a purse, but we'll see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and open up this month's box and see what we have. So it says April right on top, and it does go over, oops, it's taped on here, hold on. It goes over all of the different items in here and the pricing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it does say what the replacement item is on here. So I'll know what the extra item is, which that's really neat. Okay, so let's finish ripping this open. Let's get this all the way open. And that is what it looks like inside. So let's go ahead and just start from the first one right on top. This says Hourglass. This is a lightning palette. And this guy is valued at $64. Holy moly, $64? This is unlike traditional powders, which merely cloak imperfections. The ambient light powder utilizes photoluminescence. That's a big word for me. Technology to filter out harsh light and refine the appearance of the complexion. The powders deliver a multi-dimensional luminescent to every skin tone, making it appear softer and lit from within. So there is a little pamphlet. There's the actual packaging, and let's see what this is. Okay, so it kind of looks like baked highlighters. $64. Holy moly. Oh, it's powder. I thought it was a highlighter. I don't know why I was thinking this was a highlighter. Lightning palette. Maybe, I have no clue what product is supposed to be, but I have no clue. It just says lightning palette, ambient. So what the hell is it? Finishing powder. Dim light, so it's like a finishing powder? I don't know, I don't use powders, so I have no clue what the hell to do with I have no clue what the hell to do with this $64 product, but there's item number 1 right there. So let's go ahead and get into number 2. This is a Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Snap Shadows Mix and Match. Ooh, I always wanted one of these. There was a few of them that I was gonna buy to show you guys, but then with my other Fenty product that I was just like, meh, I just didn't. So this is number 7, and this has, okay. But let me swatch these for you. So I'm actually really excited to get this because, again, I wanted to buy like 1 or 2 of them. And this is definitely a newer product, so I'm really excited to try a new formula. So there's the actual palette right there. That's nice. I don't think I'll ever use this mustard color, but the other ones I know can go for a complete look because I have the shimmer, I have the lighter tones, and then I have the darker one for my crease. So I'm actually excited to try this guy out. So this right here, Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows, this is $25. So there's that. Now we have is Natasha Denona, I Need a Nude lipstick. And this is in Claudia. And this right here is valued at $25. This is my replacement item. So this normally wouldn't be in here, but this is my replacement item for last month. And there's the packaging. I have a lip gloss of Natasha Denona, but not an actual lipstick. And this is like a metal container. Feels really nice. Ooh, that looks really pretty. It does have an ND right on the front, like engraved for the logo. This is a really pretty color, and it's different with the little square bottom. Let's get this swatched. Ooh, I do like that. I don't know why I always stick them on parts where I can't even show you. So I'll add a little bit more. I do like that. That's really pretty. Let's see. So just a really pretty nude. Just gives you a little bit of color. I actually like that. And it smells good. So there is the I Need a Nude lipstick, and I really like that. I really like that. So that's my replacement item. So that's an amazing thing to replace it with. I really like that. This is a Charlotte Tilbury. I have decoded the secret to mischievous eyes in an easy to use application. So this guy here is Charlotte Tilbury, the Vintage Vamp Palette. $53 for this little guy, and I think there's only 4 colors in here. And they're even smaller. $53. Shame on Charlotte Tilbury. I know they're expensive, but 50 something dollars for a 4 quad, like that looks very pretty. So we have, that's kind of weird. We got 2 little eyeshadow palettes this time. So let me go ahead and swatch this. I'm actually excited for these 4 colors, but holy moly, I would never pay 50 something dollars for this palette. Let me tell you, they're very light, like barely any pigment. 50 something dollars. You would think you would get some nice pigment on the first swipe. Let me try this one more time because that's horrible. So there are those 4 colors. I don't know, they're very, very light. For Charlotte Tilbury being 50 something dollars, I don't know. I mean, I'll try it. I'm glad to have it because I sure as hell wouldn't buy that. Then we have this item right here. This is NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer, $36. It says mattifying, refining, oil-free, pore minimizing, complex, diminishes the look of pores instantly and over time. Controls shine, prolongs and enhances the look of makeup. So there is the actual product itself. And it does have a seal that's ran across this entire thing. So I already know it's never been opened. So let's remove that. That is what it looks like. So NARS, all right. I'll just rub that in my hand real quick. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell, there is a big difference between this part of my hand and like every other part of my hand. This not only made it nice and soft, but it is very mattifying, like it doesn't even have a shine or anything. So I'm actually excited to try that on my face. So there's that. And then the last item that I would have got is this bag then. The bag, is it on here? Yes, black luxury handbag, $55. So let's see what kind of $55 bag we got, which it doesn't even say a brand. It just says black luxury handbag. For $55, you would think they would at least have a brand name attached to that $55. So it was in a duster. It had these on both sides. I don't even see a name brand on here. So I'm going to say that I think that's really, really far-fetched for $55 if there's not even a name or anything on the entire bag. But that's just my own opinion. I'm not going to remove the handles or anything because my profile from them has in there at least 2 times that I do not like yellow gold. I don't want anything that is yellow gold, or anything like that. And there's all this gold hardware. So this is not a bag that I would use because I don't like gold. But that is the front of it. And the inside is like this little pinkish color. Again, I'm not going to open it. I have no clue. It says that it is vegan and lead free. I don't know what kind of brand this is. It doesn't even say anything. There's no website. There's no, there's nothing. So I have no clue what this is. There's 2 pockets right here. There's even a thing here where there's no name or anything on there. And there's a little pocket there. So there's actually like little stars on the inside. I don't even think you're gonna be able to see that, but there's little, there you go. You see, there's little stars throughout the pattern inside. So there is a pocket back here. And there's a piece of rubber in there. I don't know what in the world that's supposed to be, but I'm gonna leave it in there. I'm gonna put it back in the duster and try to find a good home for this. So there's that. So for this particular month, I would have got this with gold hardware. I won't let that one down. I have this NARS product, which I'm super, super excited about. We have 2 different eyeshadow palettes, one Charlotte Tilbury, and one of them is Fenty Beauty. And then you have this confusing hourglass powder situation. I have no freaking clue what the hell to do with this shit. But if you guys know what I'm supposed to do with this, let me know. If it has anything to do with putting powder on my face, I'm never gonna use it because I don't use that. And then this is my replacement item from last month. So the cost of everything without my replacements for this month's box will be right here. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's box? Do you think this is worth it for me to keep continuing? I know I did 3 months and then they just renewed my 3 months. So let me know, you guys, if you want to keep continuing to see this box on my channel. I do like to see how they are growing and what they send. This time I am pleased with the products. Nothing looks wrong with anything this time, so that's a big plus. I just am really confused with this. I'm really confused on why we got 2 different eyeshadow palettes in the same month, and I'm confused on why I received a bag that has gold hardware when my profile more than once says no gold. But hopefully it'll go to somebody who will like it and we'll use it. If you guys want to know a little bit more about Fashionable Beauty Box, I do have a code. SheCrafty will save you 10% off your order. This is a month-to-month subscription. It is $45. You can cancel at any time. You will receive up to $150 value in every month. You get free shipping for the United States, and you will receive 4 to 5 items in every box. Now, when you do this, you do have a profile and you can answer some questions, and it asks, when were you born? What is your shoe size? What is your shirt size? What type of phone do you have, which is optional? Are there any colors you don't want in your box? That's where I put yellow or gold. What colors do you want to see in your box? And that's where I put black, blue, you know, the colors that I like. What categories are you most interested in? Choose from fashion, beauty, or lifestyle. And I can't remember which one I chose. Is there anything else you want us to know? And in there, you can write whatever you would like. And in that spot is where I wrote, I do not like yellow gold. I live in Florida. So other little things to kind of help them tailor my box. I do like that there's a profile and they normally go by the profile. It's just maybe they didn't think of the gold hardware on a purse being no gold for my profile. I'm not quite sure. So it says each item in your box is selected with you in mind. That is why we ask you to answer a few questions before you can receive your box. We want you to be happy with what you receive. Unlike traditional subscription boxes, We hand select every item ourselves for every one of our subscribers. This means though, although every box may have a few similar items, every box is different and every box is unique to each subscriber. So not everybody is going to receive the same exact box. It all just depends on your profile and your liking to how they customize your box every month, which I do like that. So there you go. So comment down below, let me know again what you thought about this box. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty Crew, out.